Okay, this is our bungalow. Well, today we come crashing down to Earth. We are now here on the main island and in this motel kind of setup. But it is right at the beachfront. So it's actually very nice. Now that's where all the sleeping is, but I can't go in there because Chris is still asleep. It's got our clothes strewn from yesterday's wet day. And the sweet part is around the corner is a Fiji style kitchen. We're going to cook breakfast and all the other food in here. Cook your own in here. But let's go down to the seafront and have a look. That plastic shield I want to lift up so I can look up right into the sea, but at the moment the wind is rather cyclonic, blowing straight in. It's a break in the rain today, but it looks like the rain wants to fall some more sometime. Okay, let's go outside. All these tiaras are all over the place. There's the Hāf-e'a tree, they call it the Temanu. And I can start to feel the rain. There we go. There's some island over there with some over the water bungalows. To my right, there's some over the water bungalows. That's the systems of the intercontinental palace that we were in. That one is called Temanuata. Today we're waiting for our activities. We picked up our activities, so I hope the rain lets up. Because we're having a whole day out there doing some trekking, ending up in the water and doing all sorts of things.